Hey friends, welcome back to Real Life Wednesday, where we talk about what low carb living really looks like day to day. Today we're tackling something so many of you ask about. What can I pack for work or school lunches that actually works for keto or carnivore? Here's the good news. It doesn't have to be complicated. Think protein first, fat for staying power, and convenience so that you'll actually eat it. Let me give you some real life examples. Let's start with protein packs. Hard-boiled egg, beef sticks, cheese cubes, or leftover chicken thighs. They all travel well. Pair them up and you've got a solid lunch that keeps you full. Quick lunch boxes. Instead of sandwiches, pack deli meat roll-ups with cheese and pickles, or make tuna and egg salad and put a scoop on some cucumber slices instead of crackers. And then what about work-friendly containers? Think the bento box style. A portion of protein, some olives or nuts, maybe some cut up veggies like peppers or celery. It's grab and go and it feels like variety without all the bad carbs. And then some kid-friendly tweaks. For school lunches, swap juice for bottles of water, chips for cheese crisps or pork rinds, and candy for a square of dark chocolate. They'll still feel like they're getting a treat, just without the sugar crash. And here's the real life tip. Don't wait until the morning to do this. Pack lunches the night before when you're calm and not rushed. That one habit makes it 10 times easier to stay consistent. So this week, take 5 minutes to prep a low-carb lunchbox for you, your spouse, or your kids. It's amazing how much stress disappears when the decision is already made and packed. Because at the end of the day, staying keto isn't about willpower, it's about being prepared in the real world. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.